Hi, preschoolers. Thanks again for tuning in. I've got a story for us, and it's about the Lorax, how to help the earth by the Lorax. Do you remember when we did our Dr. Seuss week and we had fun reading all of his books? So we'll continue with this one. Hello, I'm the Lorax, and I speak for the trees and the fish and the birds, and I'm asking you, please, to help out the earth. I am counting on you. Together, I know there's a lot that we can do. First, I have a question and I need to ask it. Do you know where the trash goes that's in your waste basket? Hmm. It goes out to the curb and then a dump truck comes by heaped with big piles of trash that are smelly and high. Maybe you help your families bring down your garbage to the end of your driveway. Some days after that, these big piles of trash will get buried or dumped in a giant landfill. Some of the garbage that's dumped there will rot, but most of the garbage that's dumped there will not. Some cities burn trash, but this trash solution creates lots of smoke, which creates air pollution. The good news, things don't have to go on this way. We can reduce trash. We can start right away. Take your lunch in a bag, but don't throw it away. Use the bag or a lunch box again the very next day. Use both sides of the paper, and I have no doubt there will be much less paper for you to throw out. When you've read magazines and you no longer need them, pass them to your friends so they'll get to read them too. Rather than tossing your old clothes or toys and shoes, donate them. There's things that other people can use. Looks like those two friends must be sharing some shoes or skates. And here they're bringing their clothes somewhere so someone else can use them. Put used soda cans in a recycling bin. Rinse them out when they're empty and throw them right in. They'll be made into new cans. This I have here is made from old cans that I recycled last year. Just like we have that recycling box in our classroom. Paper clips and rubber bands and buttons and screws are things you will find that are easy to reuse. Put these things in a drawer so they're all in one place. They'll be easy to find and won't take up much space. When dead batteries are dumped, this fact I have found, the chemicals in them leak into the ground. Use rechargeable batteries, charge them, and then when they run out of power, you can just charge them again. In helping the earth, you can take it from me. We need to find ways to use less energy. Energy powers cars. It creates heat and light made from gas, coal, and oil that we burn each day and each night. These are natural resources, and there is a limit to how much of them our whole earth has within it. We need to use less, and I just have to say there are ways to use less every day. When you leave a room, stop and turn off the light. Just like in our classroom, how we have the light helper, how they always turn off the lights when we leave our room. Be sure to turn off your computer at night, and when it's cold, wear a sweatshirt and take the time, please, to turn down the heat, just a couple degrees. When you're doing your homework or starting to read, sunlight through a window may be all that you need. Animals and plants, all things alive, need to have water. It's how we survive. So, water is something we need to save too. There are ways that we can save it, and I'll show you a few. When you get up each morning and stand at the sink and start brushing your teeth, take a moment to think. A lot of clean water is going to waste while you reach for your toothbrush and squeeze your toothpaste. Are you noticing some rhyming words in here? I sure am, like think and waste and paste. Right down the drain, this clean water is going, so turn off the faucet and stop it from flowing. Spend less time in the shower and you'll still get clean. Try a 4-minute shower and you'll see what I mean. Clean, mean, rhyme. To help out the earth, please do something for me. Find a place that's near you and then go plant a tree. Trees provide shelter and oxygen too. So plant lots of trees. It's what I always do. If we all work together, the earth will get better, the land will be clearer, the soil will be wetter, the sun will shine brighter, the trees will be greener, the sky will be bluer, and the air will be cleaner. And the next time that I speak for the trees, fish, and birds, I know in my heart I'll need only two words. For all that you've done and for all that you will do, I'm the Lorax, and I say a great big thank you, he says, for helping to take care of the earth. All right. Well, I've got a little project for you to work on for today. So it's the roll and color one. So the first thing I'd like you to do is write your name. You're going to need 2 dice. Okay, I'm going to have you roll them. Okay, so I'll roll mine. You can help me count. All right. So let's see here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So I'm going to look at my paper and see if I can find the number 11, a 1 and a 1. Ah, here it is, right here. So then I'll choose a color. Maybe I'll choose green, like the earth. So I'll color that in green, okay? And I'm going to roll my dice again. Oh, let's see here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's see if we can find a number 6 on here. Aha, right here. So maybe I'll get out my red crayon this time. And I'll color that one red. Okay, let's do a couple more together. All right, let's see here. This time I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's see here. If I can see, aha, there's a number 7. Maybe I'll color that one yellow. Okay, color that one yellow. All right, let's do one more together that will add up. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 this time. Okay, let's search for the number 5. Ah, terrific, there it is. Maybe I'll color that one purple. There we go, I'll color it in purple. All right, so go ahead, you can play that game, add up your 2 dice, and then find the answer on your earth paper, and then you can color it. So have fun playing the game. See you again soon. Bye.